Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Introduction to quick flat tire fixes. Every driver dreads the moment a tire goes flat, but you don't need a garage or a mechanic to get back on the road. Why quick fixes matter for drivers. A flat tire can disrupt your plans, leaving you stranded and frustrated. Traditional methods like changing to a spare tire or waiting for roadside assistance can take time and effort. Modern tire repair solutions, like puncture repair kits, allow you to fix a flat in under a minute without removing the wheel. These kits are portable, affordable, and easy to use, making them a must-have for every car owner. What you'll need: the essential tools. To repair a flat tire in seconds, you'll need a tire repair kit, widely available at auto stores or online for around $20–40. These kits typically include a sealant canister, a compressor or adapter to connect to your car's 12 volts outlet, and sometimes a nozzle for inflation. You may also need a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean and a rag for wiping down surfaces. Optional but helpful tools include a tire pressure gauge to check inflation levels and a small knife or pliers to remove debris from the puncture. Most kits are compact enough to store in your trunk, ensuring you're always prepared. Step 1. Identify the puncture. First, locate the puncture on your tire. Listen for a hissing sound or look for visible damage, like a nail or screw embedded in the tread. If the puncture is hard to spot, you can spray soapy water on the tire's surface. Bubbles will form where air is escaping. This step is crucial because the sealant works best on small punctures, up to 1/4 inch, in the tread area. Note that sidewall damage or large gashes may require professional repair, as sealants are less effective in those cases. Step 2. Prepare the tire for repair. Once you've found the puncture, park your car on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake for safety. If the object, like a nail, is still in the tire, leave it in place to prevent air loss. Shake the sealant canister vigorously to mix its contents, as this ensures the formula works effectively. Attach the canister's nozzle to the tire's valve stem, which is the same point where you'd normally inflate the tire. Make sure the connection is secure to avoid leaks during the repair process. Step 3. Apply the sealant. With the canister connected, press the trigger or button to release the sealant into the tire. The sealant flows through the valve stem, filling the puncture from the inside and creating a temporary seal. This process typically takes 10–20 seconds, depending on the kit. As the sealant enters, you may hear a slight hissing or see the tire begin to regain shape. Most kits also inflate the tire partially, but you may need to use the included compressor or a separate inflator to reach the recommended tire pressure, usually listed on a sticker inside your car's driver's side door. Step 4. Drive to distribute the sealant. After applying the sealant, drive your car for a short distance, about 1–2 miles, at a low speed, under 20 miles per hour. This allows the sealant to spread evenly inside the tire, fully sealing the puncture. Check your tire pressure again with a gauge to ensure it's at the correct level. If the tire holds air and feels stable, your repair is complete. Most sealants are designed to last for 50,100 miles, giving you plenty of time to reach a mechanic for a permanent fix if needed. Safety tips and limitations. While tire repair kits are incredibly effective, they're a temporary solution. Avoid driving at high speeds, over 50 miles per hour, or for extended periods after using sealant, as it may affect tire balance. Always inform a mechanic about the sealant when getting a permanent repair, as it can impact their process. Additionally, keep your repair kit in a cool, dry place, as extreme temperatures can degrade the sealant. Regularly check your kit's expiration date to ensure it's ready when you need it. Why every driver should carry a repair kit. Tire repair kits are a game changer for drivers. They're lightweight, user-friendly, and far faster than changing a tire or waiting for help. By keeping one in your car, you're prepared for unexpected flats, whether you're on a city street or a remote highway. This small investment can save you hours of inconvenience and hundreds of dollars in towing or repair costs. Plus, the confidence of knowing you can handle a flat tire yourself is priceless. Conclusion: be prepared, stay confident. Repairing a flat tire in seconds is not only possible but also practical with a tire repair kit. By following these simple steps, identifying the puncture, preparing the tire, applying sealant, and driving to distribute it, you can get back on the road quickly and safely. Every car user, regardless of experience, can master this technique with minimal effort. So, equip your vehicle with a tire repair kit today, and drive with the peace of mind that you're ready for any flat tire emergency, no garage required. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.